What if I told you that the secret to staying young isn't locked away in ancient legends, miracle creams, or Hollywood fantasies? What if science, real, hard science, is on the verge of cracking the code of aging itself? That's right. Today, we tackle the biggest mystery of all. Is there a scientific way to stay young? Can we slow down aging or even reverse the clock? Let's dive in. First, let's shatter a myth. Aging is not just about getting wrinkles or grey hair. It's about the gradual wear and tear of every cell in our bodies. It's about our DNA, our mitochondria, our immune system. The process is relentless. But what if it doesn't have to be? Across the globe, laboratories are buzzing with one goal: defy aging. Scientists aren't just asking how we age, they're asking why, and most importantly, how to stop it. Let's talk about telomeres. Imagine your DNA as a shoelace. Telomeres are the little plastic tips that protect it. Every time a cell divides, those tips get shorter. Eventually they wear down, and the cell can no longer function. That's aging at its core. But here's where science gets wild. Researchers discovered an enzyme called telomerase. It helps rebuild those telomeres. Some animals, like lobsters, produce telomerase for their whole lives. They don't show signs of aging. What if humans could do the same? Experiments with mice have shown stunning results. By activating telomerase, scientists reverse its signs of aging, restoring lost fur, boosting activity, even improving memory. Could this be the key to eternal youth? But wait, aging isn't just about telomeres. It's also about senescent cells, the zombie cells lurking in our tissues. These cells don't die, but they don't work either. They pump out toxic chemicals that damage everything around them. Enter senolytics. These are drugs designed to hunt down and destroy zombie cells. In early tests, mice given senolytics lived longer. They moved like youngsters. Their organs stayed healthier. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now. But the science doesn't stop there. Let's talk mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. Over time, mitochondria break down. They get sluggish. Cells starve for energy. But what if we could reboot them? Scientists are testing molecules called NAD boosters. NAD is like fuel for mitochondria. Boosting NAD levels in old mice made them run faster and think sharper. Imagine a future where a simple pill could recharge your cells, keep you energized, and slow down aging. Now, let's zoom out. Aging is also about inflammation. Our immune system weakens. Chronic, low-level inflammation destroys tissues. But researchers are finding ways to reset the immune system using stem cells, gene editing, and even fasting techniques. The results? Less disease, more vitality. You might be wondering, is this just for lab rats? Where do humans fit in? Let's get real. Some breakthroughs are already making their way into clinics. First, gene editing. CRISPR, the molecular scissors, lets scientists snip out damaged DNA and fix it. One day, we could erase genetic flaws linked to premature aging. The technology is in its infancy, but the potential is staggering. Then, there's parabiosis, the ultimate plot twist. In experiments, old mice connected to young mice began to rejuvenate. Their muscles grew stronger. Their brains functioned better. What's the secret? Young blood is packed with proteins and molecules that signal regeneration. Yes, it sounds bizarre, but companies are racing to identify those youth-boosting molecules and turn them into therapies for humans. And how about stem cells? These are the body's master cells, capable of becoming anything. Injecting fresh stem cells can repair tissues, heal organs, and restore function. Clinics are already offering stem cell treatments for aging conditions with promising results. But let's be clear, there's no silver bullet, no magic potion. Aging is complex, a tangled web of biology, genetics, and environment. But for the first time, science is taking control. We're not just extending life, we're aiming to extend health, to keep people energetic, sharp, and strong, decade after decade. So, can we slow down aging? Yes, the evidence is mounting. Calorie restriction, intermittent fasting, regular exercise, and sleep. These old-school methods work. They trigger survival pathways in our cells. They slow the clock. People who follow these habits live longer and stay healthier. But the future, it's even brighter. Imagine personalized gene therapies, designer drugs, 3D printed organs, nanobots that patrol your bloodstream, repairing damage as it happens. Artificial intelligence mapping your cellular age and offering tailor-made solutions. We're not just chasing longer life, we're chasing better life. Quality, not just quantity. But here's the twist. Reversing aging has risks. Unchecked cell growth can trigger cancer. Immortality could strain our resources, our economies, even our relationships. Ethics matter. So scientists aren't just asking, can we? They're asking, should we? The debate is fierce. The stakes are high, but the quest continues. What does this mean for you right now? It means that every day, research is bringing us closer to answers. It means that lifestyle matters. How you eat, move, sleep, and think can slow the clock. It means that in your lifetime, you may see medicines or treatments that truly keep you young. But it also means hope. A future where aging isn't a slow decline, but a journey of growth, discovery, and renewal. So, does science have a way to stay young? The answer is tantalizingly close. The clock is ticking, but for the first time, we have a chance to take control, to rewrite the rules, to challenge what it means to grow old. Are you ready for the age of agelessness? Thank you for joining us on this thrilling ride through the science of aging. If you found this video eye-opening, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more incredible breakthroughs. Together, let's stay curious, let's stay hopeful, and maybe, just maybe, let's stay young.